Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have k squared minus k cubed equals 12. I want to solve for the value of k. To solve this, solution, we have k raised to power 2 minus k raised to power 3 is equal to 12. Next, move 12 over to the left hand side. This then becomes k raised to power 2 minus k raised to power 3 minus 12, and this equals 0. So we can write this as k raised to power 2 minus k raised to power 3 minus 12 can be written as 8 plus 4, and this equals to 0. So we have k raised to power 2 minus k raised to power 3 minus times 8 minus 8 minus times plus 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Next, k raised to power 2 minus k raised to power 3 minus 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 minus 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2, and this equals 0. Next, we can rewrite this equation as we have k squared then minus 2 squared. We group this. Then we factorize out minus from here, minus into brackets. We are left with k raised to power 3 then plus 2 raised to power 3, and this equals to 0. So from here, following this rule, that if you have a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2, this equals in brackets a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And also, if you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this equals in brackets a plus b, then multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So first, applying this rule to this difference of 2 squared, this becomes in brackets k plus 2, then multiplied by k minus 2. Then we have minus. Applying this rule to this, we're going to have in brackets k minus 2, so plus 2, k plus 2 into brackets k squared minus 2k plus 2 squared is 4, and this equals to 0. So looking at this, we have a common factor which is k plus 2, k plus 2. Factorize out in brackets k plus 2, we are going to be left with, we have k minus 2, then we have minus into brackets, so minus into brackets k squared minus 2k plus 4, and all of this equals to 0. So in brackets k plus 2 then multiplied by k minus 2, minus times k squared minus k squared minus times minus 2k plus 2k minus times plus 4 minus 4, and this equals to 0. So from here we have in brackets k plus 2 then multiplied by, so k plus 2k is equal to 3k, then we have minus k squared minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 6, and this equals to 0. So at this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have k plus 2 equals 0, or we have, this can be written as minus k squared plus 3k minus 6, and this equals 0. So from here, we have that the value of k is equal to minus 2, and this is the first value of k. Next, to solve for the other value of k for this other equation, okay, first of all, we can multiply this equation by minus 1. This then becomes k squared minus 3k then plus 6 equals to 0. So this equation will be solved making use of the quadratic formula. So we have the formula as, with respect to k, k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of k squared, 1. The value of b is the coefficient of k, minus 3. And the value of c is the constant, plus 6. So 6. And putting this into the given formula, we have the value of k to then equal minus b is minus 3, then plus or minus square root of b squared 3 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 6 all over 2 times a is 1. So from here, we have the value of k to equal minus times minus 3 plus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6 minus 24 all over 2 times 1 is 2. And with this, we have the value of k, that k is then equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 24 minus 15 divided by 2. So we can write this as k is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of minus 1 times the square root of 15 divided by 2. So k is then equal to 3 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I times the square root of 15 divided by 2. With this, we have the solution of k, that k is equal to 3 plus I times square root of 15 divided by 2, and k is equal to 3 minus I times square root of 15, and this is then divided by 2. So this is the second and the third solution of k. Meanwhile, we have the first solution of k right here, that k is equal to minus 2. So we have the value of k1 is equal to minus 2. So with this, the next thing for us to do is to verify this solution of k, whether they are correct for the given question. So right here, let us verify this. So verify this solution of k. We have the question k raised to power 2 minus k raised to power 3 is equal to 12. So inputting the value of k as minus 2 into this equation, we have k as in bracket minus 2 all raised to power 2 minus in bracket k as minus 2 all raised to power 3 with this equal 12 question mark. So from here, minus 2 all raised to power 2 is equal to plus 4, then minus into bracket minus 2 all raised to power 3 is equal to minus 8, and with this equal 12 question mark. So 4 minus times minus is plus 8 with this equal 12. So from here, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and this equal 12. So since they equal each other, this means that the value of k as minus 2 is the correct solution for the given question. Next, for k2 to equal 3 plus I times square root of 15 over 2, let us verify this. So inputting this value into the given equation, this then becomes in bracket, we have 3 plus I times square root of 15 divided by 2 all raised to power 2 minus in bracket 3 plus I times square root of 15 divided by 2, okay, all raised to power 3, all raised to power 3 with this equal 12 question mark. Next, we can express all of this as in bracket 3 plus I times square root of 15 all raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2 minus in bracket 3 plus I times square root of 15 all raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 3 with this equal 12 question mark. Next, following this rule, that if you have in bracket a plus b all raised to power 2, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes, we have 3 squared plus 2 times 3, then times I square root of 15, then plus in bracket I times square root of 15 all raised to power 2 divided by 2 squared is 4, then minus. Also applying this rule, if you have in brackets a plus b all raised to power 3, this equals to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b raised to power 3. So applying this rule right here, this then becomes, we have 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 times 3 squared times I times square root of 15, then plus 3 times 3, then times in brackets, so I times square root of 15, I times square root of 15, all raised to power 2, then plus in brackets, I times square root of 15, all raised to power 3, all divided by 2 cubed is equal to 8. So from here, we have 3 squared is 9, so writing down 9, we have 9, then plus 2 times 3 times I times square root of 15 is 6, I square root of 15, then plus, so right here, square, we cancel square root, but then square will multiply I, we have I squared times 15, then divided by 4. Then we have minus, so minus 3 cubed is equal to 27, then 3 times 3 squared is 9, so 9 times 3 is 27, so 27 times I times square root of 15, then plus we have 3 times 3 is 9, so and again square will cancel square root, so we have I squared, so I squared, then 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 15 is equal to 135, then plus I cube, so I raised to power 3, the square root of 15, all raised to power 3 is equal to 15 times square root of 15, and this is then divided by, we have 8. So next, from here, recall that the value of I squared is equal to minus 1. So this then becomes, we have 9 plus 6I times square root of 15 plus I squared is minus 1, so 15 times minus 1 divided by 4. Then we have minus 27, then plus 27I times square root of 15 plus I squared is minus 1, so we have in brackets minus 1, then multiplied by 135, then plus, we can write I cube as I squared times I, then times 15 times square root of 15, and this is then divided by 8. With this, we have 15 times minus 1 is equal to minus 15. 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. Then plus, we have 6I times square root of 15 divided by 4. Then minus 1 times 135 is equal to minus 135. Minus 135 plus 27 is equal to minus 108. Then plus, we have 27I times root 15, 27I times root 15, then plus I squared. I squared is minus 1, so we have minus 1, then I times, so I times 15, then times square root of 15 divided by 8. Next, we have minus 6 plus 6I times square root of 15 divided by 4, then minus, so minus 1 times I times square root of 15 root 15. This will give us minus 15I times square root of 15. And also, we have minus 108 here. So we have minus 108, then plus 27I root 15 minus 15I root 15 will give us plus 12I root 15 divided by 8. And by the way, this is equal to 12. So with this equal 12 question mark, we have 2 into brackets minus 3 plus 3I root 15 divided by 4, then minus, factorize out 4 from the numerator, are going to have 4 into bracket minus 27 plus 3I times square root of 15, and this is divided by 8, and with this equal 12 question mark. So 2 here we have 2, 4 here 1, 4 we divide 8, we also have 2, such that with this we have the given equation. We have minus 3 plus 3I times square root of 15 all over 2, then minus in brackets minus 27, then plus 3I times square root of 15 divided by 2, and with this equal 12 question mark. So from here, minus we multiply the bracket. We are then going to have minus 3 plus 3i times square root of 15 divided by 2. Minus times minus is plus 27. Minus times plus is minus 3i root 15 divided by 2, and with this equal 12 question mark. So from here, we have the same denominator. We are simply going to pick 1 all over 2. Then we're going to have minus 3 plus 3i times square root of 15. Then we have plus 27 minus 3i times square root of 15, and with this equal 12 question mark. So working with this, we are going to have that 3i root 15, we cancel minus 3i root 15. We are left with minus 3 plus 27 is equal to 24 all over 2, and with this equal 12 question mark. 24 over 2 is equal to 12, and this equals to 12. So since they equal each other, this means that the value of k that we got right here, the value of k that we got as 3 plus I times root 15 over 2 is also the correct solution for the given question. Same thing also, if we try this for K3, we'll get the same answer. So the three solutions are the correct solution for the given question. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do also like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.